Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically send WhatsApp message of sports ground booking to customers when inquired on website. So let's take an example that you are a sports ground owner and you are running a website online for the promotion of your business. You have already created an inquiry section in your website where you have an inquiry form for the customers. Now you want that whenever a customer fills that inquiry form from any source like websites, social networking sites or personally, your sports ground brochure is shared to them on their WhatsApp number. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your customers from the forms from your website, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your sports ground brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of customers in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever the form is filled on the website, automatically your sports ground brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Elementor forms that we have attached on the website page and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Elementor form with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. Here, we are using Elementor form to collect the responses, but in place of Elementor form, you can use any other form building software application like JotForms, Google Forms, Pabbly Form Builder, etc. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my website page, book your sports venue, and this is the form which I have attached on this particular page. Here I have asked for the name, email address and mobile number of the customer. This is the sports ground brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of a customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, the inquiry form on the website, automatically the sports ground brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with a message. So let us just fill this form and I'll just give the name as Adam Smith. I'll give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let's give the phone number. That's the mobile number over here. And let's click on submit. The form was sent successfully. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can find a new message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in book your sports venue. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our sports ground. A link is mentioned. For more details, you can visit our website. The website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, book your sports venue. Okay, so a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us check what is there inside this link. And here I can find a sports ground brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here you might be wondering that I just filled the inquiry form on the website and automatically a WhatsApp message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with the brochure link. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Elementor form with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will offer us a webhook URL. Using that webhook URL, we have to create an integration between Elementor form and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Elementor form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Elementor form. Step 3. Send the same data to 360 dialog for sending messages on WhatsApp. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Elementor forms, the same data will be used and a WhatsApp message will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with your sports ground brochure. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way we are going to create an integration between Elementor form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. Here, in the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the name as Send WhatsApp Message of Sports Ground Booking to Customers. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement also, and after that click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger, what is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the inquiry form on the website, automatically your sports ground brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, let us select the application name as Elementor Form. In the trigger event, we have to select New Form Submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL is displayed. So we have to simply copy this webhook URL. Now let us go to the website page. So this is the WordPress account, and here I have created this page named Sports Ground. So I'll come to this Edit with Elementor option. I'll simply click on this. So this is the website page which I have created, and this is the form which I have attached on this particular page, where I have asked for the name, email address and mobile number of the customer. And here I'll just minimize this form field option, and here we can find actions after submit option. Simply click on this. Here we can find plus button, add action. So you have to simply click on plus button and add the webhook action. Now as soon as we click on plus button, here we can see the webhook is activated. We have to again open this webhook, and it is asking for the webhook URL. So we have to paste the same webhook URL over here. Okay. Now we can see it is pasted, and now click on update. And now it is updated. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And now here we can see it is still waiting for the webhook response. For that we have to go to this Elementor form that we have attached on the website, and we have to create a lead over there. So I'll just go to the form. This is the website page and this is the form. Let us fill this form. I'll just give the name as Shikha Arya. I'll give the email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com, and let's give the mobile number over here, and let's click on submit. The form was sent successfully. Okay, now we have to go to Pabbly Connect, and now here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form on the website, that is name Shikha Arya, her email address, and the phone number is captured over here, the mobile number. Now we want to send the WhatsApp message to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. So we have to just come to this action window, and here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, let us select Send Template Message. Let's click on Connect. Here click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API key button. Okay, so we have to go to the 360 Dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts, and here we can find Generate API key option. Simply click on this, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. I have also generated the API key, so I'm not going to generate it again. Now the domain is required. Enter the domain here, which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we'll simply copy this example from here and we will be pasting the example over here. Now, whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, simply paste that domain name over here. Okay. Now, after pasting the API key here and domain name here, simply click on save. As I have already generated the API key and I have already created a connection, I'll choose this option, that is select existing connection, and I'll click on save. Okay, and now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once it is approved, then only the messages can be sent on the WhatsApp number through that template. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to 360 dialog account, and here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. Here you can find I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign and click on add template. Now here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category as per your requirement. Various categories are available. From here you can select the language of your choice. Here you can select the template type. And here you can give your template body text or the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval. And once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll just open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is send brochure final template. I'll just open this one. Hello, one number is given. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here 2 number is given. So here you might be thinking why I have kept these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in curly braces. Just because these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time as the name of the customer is going to change. Hello, here we want the name of the customer. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name or your sports ground name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message. You can find all the services which we offer in our, here again your business name is going to come. Here the link of the brochure or your online flyers can be mentioned. For more details, you can visit our website. The website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your sports ground name is going to come. So in this way, we are going to use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So the template name is send brochure final. So let us select this template in Pabbly Connect. And I'll just find the same template over here. That is send underscore brochure underscore final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the WhatsApp message. So we have got the customer details here from the website form. The name is Shikha Arya and the mobile number is this one. So basically we are going to map these details now. So let us just map the mobile number. That is from Elementor form and the mobile number is this. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali. Here in the template, the first parameter we require as the name of the customer. So let us map the name of the customer over here from Elementor form and the customer name is Shikha Arya. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, thank you for showing your interest in. Here your sports ground name is going to come. So the sports ground name is book your sports venue. So we have to simply give the same name over here in Pabbly Connect. So let us type book your sports venue. Okay. Now body field 3, example software. Here in the template we require, meanwhile you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our sports ground we can give. So let us just type sports ground over here. Sports ground. Body field 4. Here the link is given as an example. And here in the template also the link is required. So your brochure link or your online flyer link can be mentioned over here. So I have uploaded the sports brochure, the sports ground brochure in my Google Drive. I'll just simply make a right click on this. I'll click on share option and here I can find get link option. Simply click on copy link. The link will be copied to clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the link over here. Okay. Now Here you can give the link of your actual brochure, and this is the test brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive. Your actual brochure link can be shared over here in Pabbly Connect. Now body field 5, example pabbly.com. Here the website address can be mentioned, and here in the template we can see for more details you can visit our website. Here the fifth parameter website address is required. So I'll just go to the website page. From here I'll simply copy this website address. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just give the website address over here. Now body field 6, example Pabbly, that's the name of a company. Again here in template, thank you, regards, here your sports ground name is going to come. So here in Pabbly Connect we have given this ground name as Book Your Sports Venue. We have to give the same name in body field 6 also. And now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. So now let's go to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. And here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in Book Your Sports Venue. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our sports ground. So the same message that we have created in the template is displayed over here. Now here we can see the body field value, Shikha Arya, this was the first value of the body field. This was the second one, Book Your Sports Venue. Third we have given was sports ground. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address. And the sixth value we have given was Book Your Sports Venue, your sports ground name once again. So here in this way we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed in this message. Now let us check this link also. And here I can find the sports ground brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now in this way we can see that the correct messages are going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that, again we have to go to the form that we have attached on the website page, and we have to create one more test lead over there. So just go to the form and I'll just scroll down and let us just fill this form once again. And this time I'll just give the name as Sanjay Sharma. Let's give the email address as Sanjay Sharma 11@gmail.com, and I'll give the mobile number including the country code. Okay, and now let's click on submit. The form was sent successfully. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp message. So here we can see a message. Hello Sanjay Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in Book Your Sports Venue. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of Sanjay Sharma also. Now let us check this link once again. And here we can find the sports ground brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine, and the correct messages along with the brochure link are going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer fills the Elementor form on the website, automatically your sports ground brochure and a WhatsApp message should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here in this way we have created a successful integration between Elementor form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.